This large behemoth that I saw at CES this year creates water from air. How is this possible?
That's a great question. So right now we're making water from air here in the booth, and soon we'll have water pitchers out and you'll be able to taste pure drinking water. And so what we do is we take the humidity out of the water, we pump air into the machine, it gathers the water that's in the air. This has 50 gallons of tanks underneath it. So we fill up the tanks and then we start filling up everything from that. We do a lot with the government, but this is the very first day that it's been open to the consumer market.
Oh, really?
So you're catching it early on. This unit's designed to go next to a house and generate all the water you need for a house. It can replace a well, it can replace city water, and we make bigger units that can do even more. Well, if you can imagine two 55-gallon drums sitting here, they can refill those every day.
Every day?
Every day. If you go to genesissystems.com, you can look at our website and there's information there. A unit like this right now is $20,000.